Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP, JPY. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar, Canadian dollar or CAD for 11th March 2021. So this analysis is for 11th March only. I'll be coming again tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So we can see that market is right now trading at 0.9789. Okay, and market was in uptrend. From here market started coming down, and this was a sharp fall. After that market tried to go up, or it was a small consolidation and market fell again. So though market was in uptrend before, but we cannot ignore the fact that market had a huge selling pressure from here. Okay, we cannot ignore this. So what should be a strategy for the day? So our strategy for the day is simple. Right now we can see that market is trading at the 50 moving average. At the 50 moving average, and stochastic RSI is also indicating that market is in overbought zone. Therefore, if you see that market reverses from here, or if you after this candle or in this candle, if you see some price rejection from above, like this, okay, shooting star kind of a pattern, or a big red candle like this, then you can short the market at the 50 moving average. Okay, because looking at this picture we can look for selling opportunities. Okay. On the other hand, you can also short the market below this level, and this level is 0.9668. So in case market reverses from here with good price rejection from above, then you can short the market here. Okay, and in case you find or found a market around this blue line, okay, you see the market has come down here, then just see how the price reacts in this level. If you see that okay, price is bouncing back again from this level, there is some price rejection from above, you see a hammer pattern or a good big green candle, then you can buy here. Or if market crosses this level with good volume, then you can short the market here. But do remember that it should get the support of volume. Should be uh, price should be support by the volume. Okay, if there is no volume, then uh, price may go up again. So if market crosses this level, at least wait for 1 hour, let the support become the resistance. Just check whether the price is being supported by volume or not. Then only go ahead and short the market below this level. In case it bounces from here, you can buy. And if market reverses from here, if you see some price rejection from above, okay, you can also short the market here. And if you see that okay, if market crosses this level, okay, if market crosses the 50 moving average and starts trading above the 50 moving average, okay, then you just need to wait for the stochastic RSI to cool off a little. Let the stochastic RSI come down to the oversold level. Okay, and when stochastic RSI will start moving from the oversold level towards the upside, like this, like this, like this. When stochastic RSI will move from the upside again, just check where the price is. If you see that stochastic RSI is about to move from the oversold level towards the upside, and if you see that price is still trading above the 50 moving average, okay, if you find the price above the moving average, then also you can buy. So these are the three price levels that you can look for in Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for today. First is if it reverses from here, you can short the market, and at around 0.9668. If market bounces from here, you can buy. If market crosses this level, you can short the market. In case market trades above the 50 moving average, then wait for the stochastic RSI to come down to the oversold level, and when it will start moving upward, then go for a buy. So these are the strategies that you can follow for AUD Australian dollar Canadian dollar for 11th March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. You can also check the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much, good luck, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.